Don't end up paying thousands of dollars for transmission or engine repair again. DriveSmart Warranty is ready to help. Our job is to safeguard your vehicle before it breaks down. In the event that something gives up, you simply call us. Our high-class customer service team will work with your favorite repair shop and take care of the repairs for you, giving you peace of mind for the road ahead. Call DriveSmart today, and one of our professional and friendly sales representatives will work with you to find a coverage option that fits your budget. Think DriveSmart and avoid those nasty repair bills by visiting us at www.drivesmartwarranty.com. Our plans include free 24/7 roadside assistance and a rental car. We don't stop there. DriveSmart offers first-time callers a free introductory maintenance package that's a $1,000 value. Call now